Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying basic input so you know the problem isn't hardware. Test your keyboard in Notepad. Once done, confirm language and IME settings, caps lock, and num lock. Next, restart Word and the PC to clear transient issues. If text still won't appear, open Word in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This disables add-ins and shows whether an extension blocks typing. Make sure to note any error prompts. Those clues speed the fix. Once safe mode isolates add-ins, you run focus checks. Disable COM add-ins and custom templates from File right arrow options, right arrow add-ins, then restart Word normally to test typing. If the problem persists, use File right arrow open and choose Open and Repair on the problematic document to recover content. Also copy and paste everything into a brand new document and save as docx. This often removes obscure format corruption. Make sure to test typing in the new file, as that confirms whether the original document was the culprit. If document-level fixes fail, repair the Office installation through Control Panel or Settings right arrow apps right arrow modify. Try Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed. Once done, test typing in Word under your account. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile and open Word there to check for profile-specific corruption. Backup important documents before uninstalling. Finally, if nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Office. Troubleshooting tip: if typing fails only with one file, always make a copy and try Open and Repair first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.